today we're talking about birthday flowers. Mr. Smith grows beautiful flower in his flower shop because he is a young man who did seem very happy with his life. One day, Mr. Smith discovers a call. A girl wants some peaceful flower delivered to her. The next day, it was going to be her birthday. The next morning, Mr. Smith cut the fresh loaf and asked New Elodie to deliver the flower. Minute, minute later, the young man came back with a big smile on his face. Why are you so happy, Mr. Smith? I learned something beautiful. The young man invited the girl to order the flower. She told she had a child. She cannot see the flower. She can just imagine they're beautiful. She can touch and smell the flower. They make her happy. The young man placed a flower all around the shop and said, for that, I'm happier than before. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!